Hello and welcome to my Stats Hub. In today's video, we're going to look at how to create hyperlinks. What is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a link which connects one part of a document to the other part. Let me show you something from this PDF file. In this PDF file, this you see here is a hyperlink. This is the equation number, and the author wanted to refer to the equation, and so he created a hyperlink for this equation. Okay, very good. Because very close, very good. I see another hyperlink he has created for equation 9. Okay, if I click on this equation 9, which is a hyperlink, it will take me to where equation 9 is. This helps in easily navigating within a document. Hyperlinks are usually created for papers that are sent to journals for publications and for most academic documents like theses and many other things. We usually create hyperlinks for equations, tables, figures, and our references. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to create hyperlinks for your equations, tables, and figures. I will look at how to create hyperlinks for your references in the next video. So I have prepared a Latex file which I have named it hyperlinks. Okay, to be able to create the hyperlinks, you need certain packages. So I have a few of them here that you may need to look at when you want to create hyperlinks. Okay, let's go. You see that you need a reference package. Okay, which I have it here. Okay, very good. So let's see. So this is the LaTeX document. I'll just compile it so that you see how the document is before I begin to create the hyperlink. So my document is currently being run. Okay, so yes, so this is how the document is, the LaTeX file that I have. I have a table, I have two equations, I have no figure, but I'll be bringing a figure along the way. Okay, so let's go. First, we want to look at how to create hyperlinks for equations. Okay, so like I told you, I have only two equations in this document. I am going to them. So this is the first equation. To create hyperlinks, I'll go to my equation. After the begin equation, I'll create space, say slash, and I'll say label. Now, what am I labeling? I'm labeling an equation. And this is my first equation, so I'll label it equation 1. Haven't labeled the equation, and I need to refer to this table, this equation. Okay, so see that I have equation, and I want to refer to the equation 1. All I just have to do is slash ref. Okay, and I'll create this, and I'll say equate. Once I do this, LaTeX automatically refer me to the only equation it has in this document. So I'll just click on it, and I'll go and compile. Now, when you compile for the first time, the system will not recognize the hyperlink, so it will give you a question mark. This is normal. You have not made an error, so all you have to do is go back and compile again. And when you do it for the second time, sometimes for the third time, the system will recognize the hyperlink you have created. You can see here, it's referred to my equation 1. Okay, so if I click on it, it will take me to equation 1. Because it's very close, I'm not seeing the impact. If it was far away, you would have seen that I've actually created a hyperlink. Okay, so let me go to my LaTeX file again, and then I'll create a hyperlink for the second equation. Yes, so this is the first equation. Now this is the second equation. I'm creating a hyperlink. Like I told you earlier, after the beginning equation, you create a space and then you say label. Now we are labeling what? We are labeling an equation, and then this equation number is 2. And then I'll go to where I want to refer to this particular equation. I want to go to the extreme top so that you will be able to, yes. So I'll just write here equation and 2. Okay, and then I'll start the reference. I didn't need to do that, but I just wanted you to see. So ref, now create this equation. So you see the LaTeX immediately brings the 2 equations that it has in this document. I'll just select equation 2 and then I will compile. Like I indicated earlier, when you compile for the first time, the system will recognize it, so it will put that question mark there. It is a normal. Okay, so I come. So you see the. Okay, let me go back and compile again. Compile again. Yes. Okay, so because I have compiled for the second time, see the hyperlink has come. Okay, so I will go and then delete the other 2 that I kept. I don't need that one. Okay, now compile again. Yes. Okay, so if I click on it, it should take me to my equation 2. Okay, it's not doing, but no later. Take me to my equation 2. Now this is actually not a PDF file. Mostly, if or PDF will work, but this is just a LaTeX viewer, so PDF viewer. Okay, let's go and look at how to also create hyperlink for table. As I indicated earlier, I only have a table, only one table, and this is my table. Now, there's something very important you need to note when you're creating a hyperlink for a table. The hyperlink should come after the caption, because the caption is where the number of the table begins. So if you put your label anywhere, the hyperlink will be created all right, but it will not be able to reference the number, the table number. So I will this after the caption, and I will say label. What am I labeling? I'm not labeling equation. So this time I'm labeling a table. So I'll say tab, and I'll say 1, and then I will compile. No, I wasn't supposed to compile. I was supposed to now go and reference my table. Okay, so nothing will happen. I'll go back. I'll just minimize this, and now go to. Let me go up because I want to be able to refer to my table. So I'll just come here. I'll say table, and then I'll reference the table. Reference, and then this is what? Tab. The LaTeX will bring the only table label that I have there. Okay, so now I will compile. This is the first completion, so mostly you do come as a question mark, but the system have not recognized it. Okay, I'm not seeing my PV view. I'm trying to run it. Okay, I'll just come down here. Okay, so okay, my table has come. Okay, yes, table reference has come. Okay, very good. So now we will go back and see how to create hyperlinks for figures. So I don't have a figure yet. I want to bring a figure. So I'll just say begin. I'll say figure, creating the basis for bringing a table. I want this table to be here and nowhere else. So I will do this so that LaTeX will know that I want the table to be here. Now I'll go to Latex, include graphics, select the thing that I want. I'll go into no pictures. Yes, I'll pick this one. And I'll say open. And I'll say okay. Now this makes the figures too big when the scale is 1. So I want to reduce it. Now say weight equal to 0.3 slash text weight. Okay, this will reduce my table for me my figure for me drastically. Okay, so I didn't center my table. Look very nasty. Let me center it and add a caption to it. So begin centering, and then like I said, I want to add caption to it. So that when I reference it, I think we're able to reference respect to the figure number. So caption, now pick this one. Say this figure is an example. Okay. Let me just compile so you see how the figure is. Because I've done the centering and the caption I want you to see before I'll create the hyperlinks. Okay. It's not sure. Let me come here. Yes, so my centering have taken effect, and then the caption too has come. So now I want to create the hyperlinks for this figure. Like I said, if you place the label somewhere, the hyperlink will be created all right, but the number to that particular figure will not be indicated. So if you want the figure number to be there in the hyperlink, then you come after the caption. So I will come again, label. This time around, it's not equation, it's not tab, it's fake figure. Okay, figure 1. So the label has been created. I'll go to where I want to reference. So I want to put it here. I'm just putting them haphazardly, so forgive me for that. Okay, so it says ref. Then I'll do this. What am I doing? I'm referencing a figure. Okay, so the only figure I have, Latex has prompted me. I'll just compile. Like I told you, when you compile for the first time, this will not take effect. Okay, so here you see it. Question mark has come. I'll go and compile for the second time. I'll compile for the second time. Oh, it is too close to this equation. I don't like it. Let me cut it and bring it here. Here, let me cut it and bring it here. Very good. And I'll compile for the second time. Okay, so I'll go and check. Because, okay. Yes, so here's it. When you go here, see that I brought it after the model. You see the model. So here is it. The hyperlink has been come. Yes, the hyperlink is here. Okay, hyperlink has been created. Okay. Now, let me just go to the PDF for you to see. So I'll come to the search bar and I'll just type hyperlink. So I'll get a PDF file, and then we'll see whether our hyperlinks will work as we want them to be or not. Okay, so I'm saying that hyperlinks are very, very important. They are used to link one part of your document to the other part. Hyperlinks can even be used to link a document to a particular website. I'll be showing you that in the other video. Okay. Hyperlinks. Yes. My hyperlink. Yes, hyperlinks has come. Okay. Then I'll just increase the size. Okay. So see here, this is where the figure number is. Have you seen that taking me to the figure? Okay, then I go back. This is equation 2. Takes me to equation 2 here. I go back, and then where is the table? The table, no, I did. I don't know where I placed my table reference. Okay, anyway, I place the table. Okay, there's something. I think this will be the table. Yes, that take me to the table. So this is briefly how you can create hyperlinks for your equations, tables, and figures. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like it, and refer it to your friends, and come back for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.